GPD offers two compressor replacement options for 1994 to 2001 Toyota Camry models depending on the engine type. Although both compressors look alike, they cannot be interchanged. GPD compressor 6511-53-7 is suited for 2.0 liters and 2.2 liters for cylinder engine models. It can be distinguished by a 5-groove, 5.25-inch diameter pulley that protrudes a bit further than a standard clutch pulley. GPD compressor 6511-62-7 is suited for 3.0 liters 6-cylinder engine models. It can be distinguished by a 6-groove standard-style clutch pulley. Please note, original compressor manifold will need to be reused when installing replacement compressor. Refer to GPD Tech Tip number 43, How to remove and install a compressor manifold. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.